A single product is one decision. A commercial invoice is hundreds. Let me show you how CustomsLogIQ handles a whole shipment without lowering the bar. This is the bulk classification workstation. Upload any PDF or Excel file and let CustomsLogIQ prepare your products for bulk classification. The AI analyzes the document structure, extracts product and line item data, identifies relevant fields, maps them to the correct CustomsLogIQ columns, standardizes inconsistent formats, and flags missing information before organizing each product into a structured record, ready for classification and review. Your lines load in. Then you choose how they run, one at a time, in parallel, or batched for the lowest cost. Then, the part that matters. Every single line gets the full treatment. Classify all, and CustomsLogIQ works down the shipment, line by line, showing its progress as it goes. Here's the finished batch. Every row carries its own classification, its duty, and its compliance flags. Open any line, and the reasoning is right there, with the sources behind it. Nothing is a black box. Anything that needs a human comes to you, flagged. You review, you confirm, and the record is kept. Correct, compliant, defensible. Across a whole shipment, and faster than working down the list by hand. CustomsLogIQ.ai